Okay, I've just come on today to chat a little bit about the residential lighting masterclass that we're holding here on Saturday, the 16th of September. It'll be a morning session, so it'll be from about 10 o'clock till 1 o'clock. We'll be holding it in our presentation space in a co-creative space here in Kilkenny. It'll be a very practical sort of lighting masterclass. So we'll be working from here, the presentation room and our dark room next door. So we'll be testing lighting effects. As we talk about them, we'll be testing, we'll be playing with the different effects, we'll be playing with product, so that you get a real hands-on feel. Like we often say, lighting is as much emotional as it is functional, and you really need to feel it sometimes to understand it, and even to see the different elements like the likes of the LED tape or drivers, and all of that helps to really give a rounded understanding of different lighting concepts and how to realize them for your residential project. So we'll run through each area of the home. So from the kitchen, living, dining, which is often obviously hugely important space, but probably one of the most complex spaces in a home. So we'll deal with that. We'll deal with corridors and bathrooms and bedrooms, facade and external lighting. So we'll give you sort of the key tips and the key sort of considerations for each of those areas, and really give you the tools to be able to pull together and design your own lighting plan for your own home. We do an awful lot on Instagram, obviously, and I do Q&A every Wednesday, and we get a lot of there's huge engagement on that. So I think there's a huge appetite for people to learn about lighting, and I think when you learn about it, and certainly this masterclass will give those fundamentals, I suppose, to empower you to be able to design and manage your own build on site. So it's on Eventbrite. We have the tickets up on Eventbrite. There's still some spaces left, so I encourage you, check it out in Eventbrite, and definitely sign up if you're interested, or you know anyone else that it might be relevant to. I certainly lighting is so impactful in the home, but it's really about understanding those sort of key philosophies and key sort of lighting design techniques for each of the areas is so important in terms of being able to get it right, and then obviously being able to manage it on site so that your concept is realized. So that's it. Check out the link at Eventbrite below, and sign up if you're interested.